as we were going about our day doing the necessary basic things that we need to in order to live from day to day. We got a bulletin. Marty DeGarmo and Chris Johnson said that Mr. Ash MUFAREH wanted to talk to us. He said he was pumped. This was unscheduled, so it came right from his heart. He said he wanted to interact with us. He caught us off guard. But Mr. Ash MUFAREH has done it again. The following are the words of Mr. Ash MUFAREH. He revealed to us that we are coming back. We're going to reopen doors, and we're going to take you to the next steps. This is the bottom line, and the bottom line is we're going to come back and have a turnaround or a comeback phase that will thrill you. I am responsible for this, and it's going to be much better, more secure, more protected, much bigger, and indeed to where we're supposed to be. This is where we belong a long time ago. Problems happen, no big deal. It doesn't crush us, it makes us stronger, and we move on to the next thing. So just on time as predicted. I already have access to the ecosystem admin and users. There were some modifications about the rollout, because we're going to have new data, all of that. So there's so much in the pipeline and the discussion on the table right now without getting into the details and, will give you a headache. We have strategized the rollout to make it as simple as possible. But to be more accurate, we're going to be logging into the ecosystem soon. I'll tell you exactly when, okay? And then we'll give you the proper notification. So it's not going to be on a random webinar here and there as much as we love to be in there, but those are not official. Okay, now we're going back in-house to communicate promptly. So here's what's going to happen. Regardless of how we're going to do this, step number 1. We're going to reopen the ecosystem so you can log in. And the main Onpassive.com, we're going to turn it into the ecosystem login page when you see that, so you can go to Onpassive. You're going to see a website design now, right? A landing page. When you go there and see the login page, you should be able to log in. There's so much going on behind the scene. I cannot share that with you. You can understand later. It's not like forever, but at the moment I'm unable to share that why and how and all of that. But you will know in time. For now, tomorrow's Friday the 4th of October. Just about any day after that. Okay, any day, meaning Saturday you go, you see the login page there, you can log in. Done. We're going to give you the pop-up, we're going to communicate with you what's next, okay? And that's so. I don't want to get into a lot of details on mechanics. Let's not bother about the mechanics functionality. Don't ask questions. In fact, I asked the team to disable the Odesk or the ticketing system. So, let's not do that. We're not going to register new people not free, not paid. Okay, just log into your profile. And not the immediate thing. It could happen tomorrow, Saturday, or Sunday at any time. It could happen when you're logged in. Step 1, login. Step number 2, your profile is populated perfectly. So anything I'm not mentioning, don't worry about it. But don't tell me, oh, I cannot send that ticket. I didn't mention it. Okay, don't tell me I'm not able to register. Don't tell me, oh my. Okay, don't tell me my wallet. Okay, so step 1, login, say thank you. Step 2, profile populated. All right, thanks, again. Step 3, my team in place and 4, my wallet. When you see all that, that's going to happen. Not all at once, as I said, that's not in the exact order, but within the next couple of days, this will start rolling out. Okay, and then you pay attention to the news and updates. And we will, keep you posted in there. Let me mention something. Our website went down the last part of the week. And I'm just saying the ecosystem, the dashboard, the systems end of June. We just finished September. September was supposed to be the last month or beginning September 1st. End of August was supposed to be the expiration of the foundership access. Like we were supposed to kill that because of what happened? No, we're going to compensate and keep all founders open, and we're going to keep the ecosystem, and we're going to give you, obviously, as we always do, more bonuses and more extras while we transition into the next phase. You follow me, all right? There's very simple onpassive.com. Okay, nothing there. The website back. Step 1. You're able to log in. Just be happy with that. That's all you need to do. Step 2. Follow the pop-up. We're going to talk about some insane scenarios. Somebody's going to log in and going to come and say, you know what? In 2021, this was my URL, this was my, link or whatever it said. Not happening. Details? All that. Don't drive me crazy, okay? We're going to keep it really plain simple. And tell me about links and tell me about numbers. Don't tell me about that. Very simple. We're going to take you. This smooth transition is going to be a major transformation to your business, to our collective journey. You're going to be blown away. There's one thing at a time. I'm going to keep it simple. The genius is to turn something complicated into simple. And if I tell you all the complicated things that we have to deal with, you definitely will say, we've got no chance. Follow us and have faith. Your wallet, you could bury it, not just put it away. Okay, you don't need to pay anything. Relax. So you have no reason not to believe. So no money is required. No organs donation is required, right? Everybody stay sound. And just be grateful for what is to come. That's all I wanted to say today. So we're coming back bigger, better than ever. That was powerful. That's very good. He's the CEO of Onpassive, and he knows what he is doing. And he is backed up by a cavalry of incredibly talented technology experts. He gave us what we have been waiting for. Let this sink into your mind and heart. He said to go to onpassive.com, and as soon as you do, you will see a gate. And that gate says log in. Sure. We don't have to go through the forest in order to get to the gate. What happens at the gate? We enter the gate. But before you do that, we have to put our OES, mail address. That's the first thing we do. Introduce ourselves. Now the password. That's the key. Once we put in our password and enter that, the gates spring open. And what do we see? We see our magnificent profile. All of the information is just as it was before June 24th, 2024. So we're going to look around. And he said that we're going to be totally amazed at what we see. You're in the safe house now. No one can get in there without proper ID. So we're mesmerized. I can imagine that when that happens. It's all like going into a house that you know has a familiar shape. But as soon as you get in there, the decor, the amenities are mind-blowing. And this is what we have to look forward to. After October 4th, 2024, expect to go into onpassive.com. In layman's terms, there will be a gate. Put your information in, enter, and be blown away. Yes, Mr. MUFAREH has done it again.